Hello there, welcome to the second part of the bridal fascinator video. Now you can see that my fascinator base is dry and it's ready to be designed. So the next step is to design it. I'm going to be using the fabric flowers, the netting, sorry, and then a hot wire that I have already measured out, and I used paper tape to hold the ends. Then I'm using a white bias to seal the edges, and I also want to add some rhinestones to it to just add a glittery effect to it, you know, the shine effect. Yes And then I'm going to be using the UHU gum, my glue gun, and an Alice band, and my glue candlestick. All right, let us start. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the hot wire into the edges of the fascinator base. The beauty of this fascinator is it's very simple, very easy to do. All you need to do is to watch what I'm doing and follow the steps, and I'm sure you're going to come out with a very beautiful fascinator. I'm just trying to ensure that the hot wire is tucked in properly before I seal it up. Alright, so it's tucked in. Next thing I'm going to do is add UHU gum to the edges of the fascinator base and then close it so that I can cover the wire. And the thing with UHU gum is you don't put the gum and then seal it immediately. You have to wait a little bit for it to get dried, then seal it. It's stronger that way and durable. And with your UHU gum, please don't press from the middle, press it from the end, the tip. Alright, it's dried now, so I'm just folding in the edge so that I can, close up the part that the wire is in. Just press down. So watch what I'm doing. Alright, so the edge is closed up now. So the next thing I'm going to do is add the netting on top of the fascinator. You can see it's very strong. That's the next thing I'm going to do. So do the same thing again. Put the UHU gum. You have to put the UHU gum on the edge. Because the net has holes, I can't spread it on the fascinator base, so I'm just going to put it on the edge and then draw the net and attach it. So just watch what I'm doing. Sorry excuse me, just watch what I'm doing. It's really easy. And always close your UHU gum tightly. Don't leave it open, please. Alright, the UHU gum is dried a little bit and I'm ready to put my net. Note that I put the gum on the edge of the fascinator, not inside, not all over the body, just the edge. And you're going to carefully put this net. Also note that I'm working with a white material, so you have to be careful so you don't get it dirty. Yeah, for this one I washed my hands several times. Like every time I did something I had to just wash my hands, but you cannot see that here. So I've secured the first 2 points. I'm going to secure the next 2 points. Okay, so I'm just trying to ensure that the net is perfect in on the fascinator base. So you can see I'm done placing the net on the fascinator base. So I just have to trim out the excesses. Did I say trim out? Sorry, I have to trim off the excesses. Mona no vex, I beg. Alright, so the next step is to seal it up with your bias. The same step again, put your Yoo-hoo gum on the edge and seal it up so you have a neat finish. And remember what I said, for your Yoo-hoo gum to hold properly, you have to wait for it to get dried a little bit, because when it's still wet, it's going to seep out of the tiny holes on your material, either cinnamon or paper mat. So you just have to put the glue, then wait a little bit for it to just get dried, just a little. Once it's dried, then you can now seal up what you want to seal up. So now I'm about to add the bias, the word bias. I'm going to take it round. So I have taken the bias round, so now I just have to press down to ensure that my bias is sealed properly. So I'm just pressing it round, and for the little edge there, you just cut off the excess, add your Yoo-hoo and just seal it up. And voila, now I just want to see how I'm going to design this. So I'm just looking at where I'm going to place the flowers, the fabric flowers, it's just a simple fascinator. So I'm just using the fabric flowers and rhinestones. So the next thing I'm going to do is add my Alice band. The reason why I'm putting my Alice band first is because once I put the Alice band on the fascinator base, I'm going to place the fascinator base on a mannequin and design it. So just watch what I'm doing. Now I'm going to use either a felt disc or a little piece of the paper mat to hold the Alice band down. That's going to make it very, very strong. And when you do that, just press. Okay, so you can see it came out of the Fascinator base, so I'm going to use the fabric flowers to cover that part, so don't worry, just watch what I'm doing, trying to ensure that every part of the little piece I used in covering the Alice band is going to seal it up, so that we have a strong Fascinator and the Alice band doesn't come off easily. Okay, yeah, so it's strong enough. You see, it's strong enough, it's not going to come off. So ensure that it's sealed properly. Now I have placed it on my mannequin head. You can see that little patch there that's kind of yellow. I'm going to cover that part with the fabric flowers. Placing it on the mannequin head makes it easy for you to decide what part you want it to be. You want it to slant to the side, slant to the left, or be in front of your face. So whichever way you want it to be, it's okay. Alright, so I just put some glue on my fabric flowers using the glue gun, and then on top of the Fascinator base. Then you press down to ensure that it's properly sealed. Please don't mind me and my Miri Amaka hair. So do the same thing again, add some glue gun, or rather some glue using your glue gun to the fabric flower. Can you see how that part has been covered? That part that looked like it has a dent, I have used the flowers to cover it. And that's all basically. So I'm just pressing to ensure that it's sitting in place and it's sitting properly. And I also want to ensure that there's no part that is loosed. If there's any part I need to cover up with something, I'm going to cover up with it. So this is just finishing touches. And look at that. Isn't that lovely? Yes, so mine is slanted to the left hand side. I like to wear my Fascinator on the left hand side. So look, gorgeous. So I'm going to go and do my makeup and fix my hair and come and show you how it looks like. And I'm back. Yes, I now look like a fine girl, Abby. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I did my makeup, I fixed my hair, and I'm rocking this really gorgeous Fascinator. Someone who's doing her court wedding can wear this, and you can also wear it for weddings and church service too. Yes, so thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share this video, and you can connect with me on Instagram at Zofa Headwear. My name is Olufemi Adu. Thank you so much for watching. Till I see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.